Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 7 Collins English Grammar and Composition chapter number 15 active and passive voice. Okay, so if you have not watched the previous chapters, so here look at the screen. You can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay, so I have also made two special videos relating active and passive voice. Okay, so in that video I had discussed about how to change simple present affirmative into passive. Okay, simple present yes no into passive. Okay, simple present yes no into passive, simple present double edge question into passive, and also negative interrogative into passive. Okay, so here look at the screen. You can also go to the playlist section and watch. So here let's get started. To identify the sentences in which the subjects perform the action. Yes, so active voice and passive voice. Okay, so if the subject performs the action, this will be called as active voice. If the subject receives the action, that will be called as passive voice. Okay, so here first sentence, here look at this. The dog was chasing the postman down the road. Yes, so here the subject performs the action. So who is the subject here? The subject is dog. So what was it doing? The dog was chasing. That means here the action was done by the subject. Okay, the ball was hit hard by the batsman. Here, yes, here subject receives. Okay, the ball was hit hard by the batsman. The next, this story was written by one of my favorite authors. So here was written, and here also by is used. So here second sentence by is also used. Shut the door. So this is imperative sentence, and here the subject is hidden you. Okay, so that means in the in the above examples, okay, 1 2 3 4, we find that, okay, sentence number 1 number and also 4 number, these are written in active voice, because here the subject performs the action, and other two sentence here here by the batsman and by one of my favorite authors. That means here subject receives the action. Okay, clear? So here first sentence 1 and also 4, they are written in active voice, and second second and also third, they are written in passive voice. Okay, so here okay, then next here, state whether the sentences are in the active or passive voice. Let's say donate some money to charity. So here this is active voice. Okay, then second, the meal was prepared by the chef. Yes, here by is used. So the easiest method to identify whether the sentence is in active and passive, just you have to, okay, just identify by the agent. So here by agent means the chef. Okay, by the Mesopotamians. Okay, here you can find by. Okay, then again here by, then here by. Okay, the first sentence, this is written in active voice, imperative sentence. Okay, then the meal was prepared by the chef. Yes, the by the chef, this is passive voice. So as you have to, you can also change into, okay, the chef. Yes, the chef prepared the meal. The chef prepared the meal. This is active voice. Okay, and here the chef prepared the meal, that means here the subject performs the action. Okay, then next question here, the decimal system was invented by the Mesopotamians. Yes, so here this is passive voice. So you can also change into active voice. Okay, you can also write here the Mesopotamians, okay, invented, okay, invented the decimal system. The decimal system. So here subject performs the action. Mesopotamians invented the decimal system. Okay, then next year Bill Gates co-founded Microsoft. So this is active voice. As here the subject performs the action, so you can also change into passive. Microsoft, yes, so here the tense is simple past, that means you have to use was or were according to the object. So here the object is singular. Microsoft was co-founded, okay, by Bill Gates. Okay, so you have to write by agent. Then next year, fortune favors the brave. Yes, so here this is active voice. Okay, then next year Bluetooth was invented by Dr. Jap, okay, Hudson. You can also this is passive voice, as here by and agent is used. So you can also change into active. Doctor, okay, Dr. Jab Hassan, yes, invented Bluetooth. Okay, Dr. Jab Hassan, invented Bluetooth. Clear? Then next question here. The board members elected a new chairman yesterday. So here the subject performs action. The board members elected. Okay, you can also change into passive. A new chairman was elected yesterday by the board members. So here the verb is used simple past. So you can also use was or were. Okay. Then V3, India's first individual Olympic gold medal was won by Abhinav Bindra. Yes, here by plus agent. This is written in passive voice. So you can also change into active. Okay, Abhinav Bindra. Okay, Abhinav Bindra won India's first individual Olympic gold medal. Clear? The next year, with whose permission have you entered the staff room? Yes. Okay. So this is interrogative sentence, and here subject performs the action. So here the sentence, yes, so here the subject is you. Okay, you, that means this is active voice, not passive. So easily you can find if there is by plus agent is used. Then next year the winning runs were scored by, yes, so here by because Joshi playing his first international match. Okay, so this is written in passive. So you can also change into active. Okay, because Joshi, okay, scored the winning runs. Okay, so as it is simple past. Clear? Then next here here the answer. Then next change the sentences from active voice to passive. So while changing, when you change active from passive, just you have to first identify the subject, then the object and the tense of the verb. So here object is her behavior annoys me. So object is me and subject her behavior, and verb is written in simple present. So as the structure of yes passive simple present. Okay, is am are V3, is am are okay V3. So object in the active voice becomes a subject in the passive voice. So you have to write here I am, yes, I am annoyed. So you have to use always the third form of the verb, past participle. I am annoyed by her behavior. Okay, by her behavior. Clear? Then next question here. She asked me to come again. So here a subject is she and object is me, and here verb is used simple past. Object in the active voice becomes a subject in the passive voice. You have to write I was asked. Okay, I was asked to come again. Okay, to come again by her. Okay, so as this is simple past. So you have to write was or were plus V3. Okay. Then next question here, they liked her performance. So as here the subject is they, and object her performance, and liked verb simple past. Here object in the active voice becomes a subject in the passive voice. Okay, her performance, yes, was liked. So as there is a simple past, that's why we have used here was. Okay, was liked by them. Always remember. Okay, remember you have to always use the third form of the verb. Her performance was liked by them. Here by and agent yes, they becomes them. Clear? Then next question here. The museum guide always answers the visitors questions. Yes, here the subject is museum, the museum guide, verb here answers, and object the visitors questions. Okay, so here the verb is written in yes simple present. Okay, so you have to write here object visitors question. So you have to write here the visitors questions. Okay, the visitors questions here object is written in plural. So you have to use here are. The visitors questions are answered. Okay, are always answered. You can also write here adverb of frequency, are always answered. You have to use okay third form of the verb. The visitors questions are always answered by the yes museum guide, by the museum guide. So as here the agent is yes the museum guide. Clear? So then next question here. The two presidents are signing the climate change treaty. Yes, so here the subject is to the two presidents, and here the verb are signing, and object the climate change treaty. Okay, so here verb is used in present continuous. That means you have to use here this format: is am are, yes, is am are plus being plus v3. V3 third form of the verb. Okay, so here the object is the climate. So you have to write here the climate. Okay, the climate change treaty. Okay, is being. So you have to write here being, is being signed by, okay, by the two presidents. Clear? So here the answer, the climate change treaty is being signed by the two presidents. Clear? The next question here. My father irons and folds our school uniforms every night. So here the subject is my father. That means here subject performs the action, and here two verb are given. That means written in simple present, irons and folds, and object yes, our school uniforms. Okay, here simple present tense is used. Okay, so you have to use here is am are plus v3. Okay, so here our school uniforms, as here the object is plural. Okay, our school uniforms are ironed and folded. So here irons written in active voice, it becomes ironed. Folds written in active voice, it becomes folded in passive. Okay, by my father every night. Agent yes, my father, by my father. Clear? Then next question here. The party planner is booking the auditorium. Yes, so here the subject is the party planner, and verb is looking, and object the auditorium. So as here the present progressive verb is used, tense is used. So you have to write here, yes, so you have to use here is am are, yes, is am are plus being, yes, plus v3. Okay, as per this structure, so you have to write here. Okay, here the auditorium is being booked by the party planner. So as book simple present, so you have to use always the third form of the verb while changing active into passive. Okay, so here you have to write booked. Okay, then next question here. Sally has to bake 50 cookies for the birthday party. Okay, so here the subject is Sally. That means here the subject performs the action. Has here verb, and here has to bake. To bake is, this is non-finite verb, and object 50 cookies. Okay, so you have to write here. Okay, 50 cookies have to be. So has to be. Okay, so you have to write here have, as here the it is plural, object in the active voice becomes subject. So object in the active voice, this is plural, so you have to write here have. 50 cookies have to be baked by Sally for the birthday party. Clear? Then next question here. Who drank the last bottle of mango juice? Yes, who bottle. So you can also represent here in two ways. First you have to write here by whom. You can also use by whom. Yes, here tense, which tense is used? Simple past. That means you have to write here whom. By whom was. Object the last bottle of mango juice. By whom was the last bottle of, yes, last bottle of mango juice. Okay, yes, drink, drank, drunk. So you have to use third form of the verb. Or you can also write here who was the, yes, who was the last, yes, last bottle of, yes, mango juice drunk by. Okay, drunk by. So in this you can also represent in two ways. You can also add by at the beginning, and you have to use whom. And if you want to write by at the end of the sentence, then you have to write who. Who was the last bottle of the mango juice drunk? Drink, drank, drunk. Okay, v3, drunk by. Okay, so two ways that two can be accepted here. So here by whom was the last bottle of mango juice drunk. So here by whom, and you can also write who, and you have to use by at the end of the sentence. Clear? The next question here. The commanding officer will give the cadets instructions. Yes, here subject is the commanding officer. That means the subject performs the action, and here verb is used simple future, and object the cadets instruction, yes. So you have to write here the instructions will be given. Okay, so you know will, and here in passive voice B plus V3 modal, yes, modal plus B plus V3. The instructions will be given to the cadets by the commanding officers. Clear? Then next question here, change the sentences from active to passive voice. Okay, so you know first here, do you know her? This is yes no question. So if you want to change into passive, the first step you have to follow here. Do you know her? So you have to write here, you know her. You know her. Okay. So you know here object is her. So now you have to change into passive. Okay. You know object in the active voice becomes subject. She, yes. And you know here verb is simple present. So you have to write she is, yes. She is known, yes, to you. Don't write by you, to you. Okay. And you know here the question asks in yes no, so the answer should be written in yes no. Is she, yes, is she known to you? Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, is she known to you? So first you have to change into affirmative, then you have to change into passive, then interrogative passive. Clear? So here the answer, is she known to you? Okay. Then next question here, who broke the window of my car? So as I have discussed, you know, in two ways you can change into passive. First you can write here by whom, yes, by whom, and you know here the verb broke is written, that means simple past. So you have to write here was, by whom was, yes, and object you know the window, by whom was the window, yes, was the window of my car, yes, here broke, broken. So this is the first way. And another we can also write here, who was the, yes, who was the, yes, window of my car, yes, broken by. So you have to use by at the end of the sentence if you want to start the sentence using who. And if you write by whom, then don't need to use by again in the end of the sentence. Clear? By whom was the window of my car broken? Or you can also write, who was the window of my car broken by? Clear? So here, by whom was the window of my car broken? You have to use a question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay. The next question here, how many stalls, yes, did you buy? So similarly here same, how many, yes, how many stalls? So you know here, yes, which tense is used here? Simple past. So here stalls is plural, so you have to write here where. How many stalls? Where? Yes, you know main verb here by, bought. Okay, bought by you. Clear? How many stalls were bought by you? Okay, so here how many stalls were bought by you? The next question here, have they paid the rent? So similarly, as you know here the first question, the same structure will be followed here. So you have to change into affirmative first. Have they paid the rent? They have paid the rent. Okay, then you have to change into passive. The rent, yes, the rent. You know here which tense is used? Present perfect. So you know if there is a present perfect in active voice, yes. So here yes, has been or have been will be used. The rent has been, yes, paid by them. So as you know this is yes no question. So here has will come to the beginning of the sentence. Has the rent been paid by them? Okay. So here has the rent been paid by them? You have to use a question mark at the end of the sentence. Clear? The next here, what kind of books do you like? Yes. So you know here simple present tense is used. So you have to write here what, yes, what kind of books, yes. So here yes, is or are will be used, are, because here object you know books you know plural. What kind of books are, yes, liked by you? Clear? What kind of books are liked by you? Okay. Then next question here. So here what kind of books are liked by you? Where can I buy good shoes? Yes. So you know here can is used. That means modal verb is used here. Okay. So you have to write here where can, yes, can good shoes. Now don't write I, because you know this the question is given in active, so you have to change into passive. Okay, passive means yes, the object will come here. Where can, yes, good shoes, yes, good shoes be, you know modal. If there is modal, then be plus v3. So be v3 you know by but where can good shoes be brought, okay, bought by me. Okay, question mark, you have to use question mark at the end of the sentence. Where can good shoes be bought? If you want to write in agentless, they don't need to add by me, agentless. Okay, where can good shoes be bought, or you can also write where can good shoes be bought by me. Clear? So here look at this, where can good shoes be bought. This is written in agentless. Okay, agentless means you don't need to write by me, by her, by them, by us. Okay, then next question here, who started the Chipko movement? So similarly, just like look at the question number 2. So here 7, to passive can be formed here, by whom or who. So you can write here by whom. Yes, here the tense is used simple past. By whom was the, yes, was the Chipko movement, yes, started. So this is the in another way you can also write who was the, yes, who was the Chipko movement started by. Clear? By whom was the Chipko movement started, or you can also write who was the Chipko movement started by. Okay, so here by whom was the Chipko movement started, or who was the Chipko movement started by. The next year, when did they book the tickets? Yes, so here tense is used simple past. When, yes, when were the, yes, tickets, yes, tickets booked by them, as you know here simple past is used, so you have to use where, because here the object tickets in plural form. When were the tickets booked by them. Okay, so here when were the tickets booked by them, you have to use a question mark at the end of the sentence. Then next year, have you submitted the papers for scrutiny? Yes, so here yes no question is given, so you have to write here yes affirmative, so you have to change into affirmative. You have submitted, yes, you have submitted the papers, yes, for scrutiny. Okay, so here the present perfect tense is used, and here the object is the papers, plural form. Okay, you have to now change into passive. The papers, okay, the papers have, yes, have been submitted by you. Submitted, simple past perfect, submitted by you. So as here is no question, so you have to use have at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, have the papers been submitted by you. Clear? So here look at this. Okay, have the papers been submitted by you? Yes, you have to also add for scrutiny. Okay, then next question here, are you not watering the plants regularly? So here similarly yes no question, so you have to change into affirmative. You are not, yes, watering the plants regularly. Okay, this is adverb, regularly. Okay, so now you have to change into passive. So here which tense is used, present progressive negative structure. You are not watering the plants. So here object is the plants. Okay, so you have to change into passive now. The plants, yes, plants plural, so you have to use are. The plants are not being, yes, watered by you. So as the question asked in yes no format, so you have to use are to the beginning of the sentence. Are the plants not being watered by you? Clear? So here, are the plants not being watered by you regularly? Okay, so you have to also add regularly, okay, at the end of the sentence. Then next question here, who will carry out all these instructions? Yes, so here simple future is used, that means here modal. Okay, here passive can be formed in two ways. You can also write here by whom. Yes, by whom will. Yes, will, then object these instructions. By whom will all these instructions, yes, instructions be yes, carried out. Clear? By whom will all these instructions be carried out? Question mark. Then which you can also write. So here by whom will all these instructions be carried out? Okay. Then next question here, where can I find dried dates in this market? Yes, do you know here modal verb is used, can. So you have to write here where can, yes, object dried dates. Where can dried dates, yes, be. Okay, modal modal plus here be plus v3, find, found. Okay, where can dried dates be found? Yes, by me. So if you want to write in agent list, don't need to write by me. Where can dried dates be found? Okay, in this market. Okay, you have to write here where can dried dates be found in this market. Okay, so here this is written in agentless, that means here by something, by agent is not added here. Okay, so the remaining parts will be discussed in the next video. Okay, so I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.